this video, I'll be showing you how to delete or inactivate a matter. Let's look at deleting matters first. Although please note that matters cannot be deleted unless all linked transactions have been deleted too. So you want to make sure that the matter is clear of being on any pending time and expense entry or payment due. Click on Clients, Clients and Matters, and the matter name, and click on Delete this matter at the top here. Okay, and the matter has been deleted successfully, and we have a message up here confirming. Now, to inactivate a matter, click under the same place. You're going to be here under Clients, Clients and Matters, and click on the relevant matter name. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this matter here, and then you'll want to go ahead under the general screen. You can disable this active checkbox here, and by default this date will be populated to the current date, and you can come back here and you can check the date that this was inactivated for future reference purposes. I'm going to go ahead and click save, and again we have the matter updated successfully message up here. Now please note that if there are any of the following for the client, the user will see a list of details at the bottom of the screen before confirming that they still want to go ahead with inactivating the client, and these are any unbilled time or expense entries, any unpaid invoices, an opening balance, unallocated credits, or any trust balances.